Guys, we finally got official news from Microsoft about the Android 11 update to the Surface Duo 1. Now, we already know that we're going to get Android 12L on both the Surface Duo 1 and the Surface Duo 2 coming sometime early this year. So that's exciting already. We're already going to get later this year Android 12L on these devices. But when it comes to Android 11, the update that Microsoft promised by the end of this year, well, Sir of MS Power User posted this because Microsoft finally responded. Microsoft said, we're finalizing the validation and certification for Android 11. We originally planned to deploy Android 11 as an update for the Surface Duo in December, but we needed a few more weeks to ensure a great experience for Surface Duo customers. We expect to begin Android 11 rollout in the next few weeks. Let's freaking get it, guys. We are getting Android 11 on the Duo 1 in the next couple weeks. So probably, I would guess, probably a week and a half. They say a couple weeks. How usually business works is you always over-promise, under-deliver. So, well, sorry, I think that's the motto. You overpromise. You say like, okay, in a month now, right, we'll get you this. And then you undeliver that because you don't wait a month. You wait like 2 weeks. And then people get excited and happy and they're like, oh my God, you did exactly what you said you would do, but less time, right? So in the next few weeks, we're getting Android 11 on this phone. And I will say, right, because obviously they did say to ensure a great experience. At this moment in time, we believe, and the rumors are, that Google could not get this certified fast enough to actually get it pushed through and to us by the deadline. I wonder if there really is the issue of it just wasn't working on this phone and they needed another couple weeks to really get Android 11 working on this, because I said this many times. If they release Android 11 on this phone and it's a buggy mess and there are issues and it's unusable, that would be the biggest mistake ever. That would be worse than just not getting Android 11 at all, right? That would be worse than anything if the phone is even more buggy than day one of it coming out because Android 11 simply cannot run on this phone. But again, like I said, because we already know we're getting 12L later this year, we already know Android 11 can run very well on this phone. And if we're getting 12L, then that just means this is just a combination of everything. And I will say it like this, right? Because this actually puts a lot of things in perspective here. Because if this gets 11 and then it gets 12L, I said this before, and I know I got backlash by somebody in the comment section, but if this gets all those things, this might be the best recovery of a phone that went from a complete dumpster fire to a really amazing phone of any phone out there ever. Because this is going to go from the buggiest, fifth most $1,400 waste of money phone to a $300 Android 12L that has revolutionary hardware, revolutionary hinge, and just feels so amazing in the hand and has everything perfect for that device. And again, like I said, this even pushes more people toward the Surface Duo 2, because now that this is getting Android 11 and 12L eventually, this makes a lot more people probably want to pick up the Duo 2, because right now the biggest issue with the Duo 2 is no one wants to buy it because of the fact that they don't trust Microsoft. Because of their failure with the Duo 1 and them giving up, no one wants to buy the Duo 2 because of that reason. Well, again, like I said in the previous video, but the fact that Microsoft is not releasing a Duo 3 this year, they're focusing on software for these two Duo devices. It's such an amazing comeback from Microsoft. So I can't wait to see what this ends up looking like. I said this before, but I'll say it again, guys. I will go ahead and make a video the second Android 11 does come out on the Duo 1. I'll have a video out showing it off. I might even live stream. If you guys want to see me live stream it, I might live stream using it before you guys update to Android 11. I might do a live stream to kind of show you guys how it works, kind of break it down and see if it is buggy, because obviously, yes, it's possible it could be buggy. It could be a mess, but we're hoping and praying right now, crossing our fingers, right, that it ends up being a really solid, whole entire software on this device. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.